braking.
You did good enough. Down here. Whoa.
Yeah, I don't go down very quickly. Because I don't want to go down very quickly.
All right, ready to turn around? We're going to have problems turning around.
You were smoking.
Oh yeah. I have no problem going uphill.
What the hell those guys talk about a heat off the muffler? Where is it?
I'm turning around
too.
We're turning around.
Just be careful, because a lot of people, you know, the downhill, when you turn around, people go, poop. I've seen them.
That's why I didn't like that you turned in here and told me we were going down, back down.
Well, the best thing maybe to do is to go up, back up, and then turn left. You know,
I can't back
go up a little bit, back into here.
I can't back up.
Instead of No, when you go uphill, turn to the left a little bit, but then back, slowly go backwards and then go that way.
Yeah.
So like a 2-point turnaround,
Yeah, right.
you know. Instead of trying to turn, run.
I learned that.
I've seen a lot of people all of a sudden downhill and then they tip over.
So,
19 miles?
Yeah.